is not a die-hard fan or party supporter. So, as a young youth, who we really be vote for? Should it be Bruce? Should it be Portia? Tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. I say, me is not a die-hard fan or party supporter. As a young youth, who we really be vote for? Should it be Power? Should it be Shower? Tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. Politics and the youth in a disconnect. Them underestimate our intellect. Alright, so me interject. Cause not have degrees yet them future wreck. What make so much youth have up intratech? With the white lady are getting check. Job them can't get. Better days coming. Can't reach yet. No, this must be a joke thing. Without real change I will not be voting. Say something. Me is not a die-hard fan nor party supporter. As a young youth who will really be voting. Should it be Bruce? Should it be Portia? Me tell you the truth, me really do. Me a no die-hard fan or party supporter. As a young youth, we really be vote for. Should it be Bruce? Should it be Portia? Me tell you the truth, me really don't know. So many rural children illiterate. Proper resources, only the rich get. A serious thing and a joke me a make. Rural youth them tired of neglect. You hear me? Rural youth them tired of neglect. Wait there, me not done yet. What a raw deal the university students them get. No, many a panda, many a fret. Oh, me a go pay tuition. I don't know, Rasta. It's about SLB that are strictly load and burden to we. Yeah, strictly load and burden to we. They say them have a change. Let me wait and see. But until then, at this me a pre, no can start or finish a degree. And don't want me to take my identity from a political party. What about country? So you put country first. So no man, no Dan, no politician can give up gun for burst. Me is not a die-hard fan or party